Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off Samsung M35 device. Well, knowing how to turn off your Samsung phone is essential in emergency situations where you need to quickly power down the device. And also, in emergencies such as overheating, software crashes, or other issues, being able to turn off the phone promptly can help prevent further damage or issues. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To initiate the soft reset on your device, follow the steps. Okay, firstly, perform a simultaneous long press on the power button and volume down button until the power off option appears on the screen. So, next tap on the power off option to shut down the device gracefully. Okay, and for an alternative method, access the control center on your device, so locate the power icon within the control center. So, select the power off option to initiate the device shutdown process. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off Samsung M35 phone. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.